I'm Janet Waters. I am an instructor in the Baking Arts program, and we have an amazing program at LW Tech. It's fun, it's inclusive, it's affordable, and we do everything from basic cookies to cakes to breads to cake decorating, working with chocolate and sugar and candy making, and we have so much fun. We teach everybody. So if you don't know how to bake and you want to come into our program, we will teach you how to bake. So we've had students that had never baked before, and they came in, and then by the time they graduated, they're working in a bakery. Some students even have gone off to do their own business. You don't have to know how to bake. We can teach you everything. And then we have students that come in with some skills, and they just exceed far beyond what they thought they could do. So we do have a fully functioning bakery, and everything that the students make, we sell. We do a lot of Thanksgiving sales. We do between 600 and 1,000 pies for Thanksgiving. So they get a real hands-on experience. Not only do we teach people how to make things, then as they progress, they learn how to make the product, rotate the product through the bake shop, and actually sell the product. And then we also have a senior class where they learn how to run a bakery. So you're actually managing the bakery. And then when you go out into the industry, you have a real good background to get started. We start out learning all the baking basics and baking science, but then as we progress, we go into candy making, we go into chocolate tempering, we go into sugar, and we also have a centerpiece class that expands on that, where we do centerpieces and create art with the chocolate and sugar. So we'll blow sugar, pull sugar, make shapes, and then put them together to make a sculpture. Also in our cake decorating class, if you're a little bit art inclined, we take edible mediums of colors and sugars and chocolate, and we turn them into edible art. I am so proud of the students themselves. I get to see a student come in that maybe they don't even know how to bake, and by the end of the program they just bloom, and they're able to make product and sell product and get jobs and go off into the industry. And then I still keep in touch with the alumni, so I get to see them as they grow up and grow out, and that's probably the best part of the program for me. Very rewarding.